Hi, thanks for tuning into Mama Sees TV. My name is Carla. I'm going to be making a warrior vest, a hook, say if you will, tactical gear, vest and belt. So we all know that these are not going to hold vests because they are quite heavy. Each, the vest and belt, each weigh about 10 pounds, give or take. So, I could easily use this, and double them up. It only works for a while. So anyway, I'm gonna get rid of these. Okay, so the other day I went to Canadian Tire just to get myself some galvanized iron pipes, and these are 2 flanges, 1/2 inch. Everything's 1/2 inch here, so you'll see the 1/2 inch, blah, 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 blah. So these ones are 6 inches in length. These are 4 inches in length. I got myself a cap, coupling, 2 elbows, a fitting tee, and I guess that's it. So the 2 pieces of 2x4s are going to be used for pretty much placing these anywhere. And the reason why I got the 2 pieces of wood is so that it's going to be reinforced on the wall, and that way the 20 inches across is good to reach studs, which is approximately 16 inches apart in the walls anyway. So I know these hooks are not going to go anywhere. It's going to be reinforced and strong to hold pretty much anything. Okay, I just wanted to mention while I'm putting this together is that online, when I was looking to purchase it, it would have cost me about $170 to $200 for ordering, shipping, handling, whatever. But by going to Canadian Tire myself and purchasing what I needed, and I'm sure you can find it at any other store with any hardware store. So this is I just wanted to cut myself off there and say this is the hook I want to use for the vest. There you go. And now for the belt. So I priced out everything, and the iron, all the pieces would have everything would have came under just $30. Yeah, just a little under $30. And figured, well, that's better than paying $200. So yeah, there's the 2 pieces for the vest, for the belt. So after some stud finding and measuring, I have placed these on the wall, and these are not going anywhere. No. Okay, next. Alright, so this is it. It is all organized and put together. My Mountie is now home and has his vest up using his new hooks. So there it is, all nice and organized. Not on our bedroom floor. So this mama is very happy with the turnout. So I also want to say the reason why I made it this way, those are going to be permanent, the hooks, because this is forced housing. So it's just going to be that way. Alright, so you're welcome. And thanks for watching. Bye now.